Hi there, I'm Spirit Baptiste, and I have just completed the 5-day challenge that Dallas had for her Get Clients Now program. And I wanted to share with you some of the things that I think are extremely beneficial to almost everybody. One of them is, of course, is that Dallas has a great deal of know how, but more importantly, she knows how to share it in a way that is clear. It's very simple because she applies implementation that you can do right after so that you get a positive effect and a result. Sorry for the dinging and the pinging on the computer. But it's easy, and when you have something as complex to learn as Facebook, who I have to say doesn't always make it easy, Dallas has found a way to make it easy, and that's exceptional also. So I would recommend that you would definitely check her out because she's very good at what she does. And for myself, for instance, I now know how much more clearly to go in and strategically find the right groups, find the right people, and make the right responses and comments, and then pull those people over to become, potential leads for my online business. And I've done that this week, and I'm excited. So I just wanted to share that and tell everybody to please take some time and check out Dallas Pena because she's really good at what she does. Have a great day. Talk to you later.